Hello everyone. So we got the neck and we fitted the tuners into the peg head. And here it is.
Oh wait, show the tuners again. Okay.
You can, if you know what you're doing, this is going to look weird to you because this is 6 inline tuners that I put on a 3-on-3 headstock. Because when you're stringing a guitar, your natural thing to do is to run to the inside and wrap to the outside. And on the top 3 tuners, you're going to turn away to do that, which is rotating this way. If you're flipping over and you're using 3-on-3, the mechanism is reversed so that you continue to rotate this way. I don't like doing that. I like rotating top away in both directions as a memory mechanism. So I use 6 inline tuners on a 3-on-3 headstock. I've adapted to it. I'm happy with it. I've been doing it for 20 years. It's fine. So we got our neck, tuners on. We got our master reference template for the body shape, which unfortunately has markings for pickup positions and tremolo holes that are set for 25.5-inch scale. This is a 25-inch scale. But we have the drawings and everything that the neck is made to. And so what we're doing now is we're building up the lines of where things need to be. Unfortunately, this is a tapered profile on the heel. It's not a straight profile. I mean, you say unfortunately, it's not really unfortunate. It's actually the right way to do things. It's just slightly more difficult because you can't just put a line out and draw it straight and parallel to the center line. You have to actually get it right, which can be frustrating. So the number one dimension we have is that the heel of the neck has to be 3 3/8 along the center line from the front edge of the body for everything to line up correctly. So I've got my 3/8 marker, and then I'm going to use my scale, 3 3/8 marker, and then I've gone in to another point where I can make a nice measurement of how wide the body is. I'm going to start scaling it off from there. Okay. So that mark was made at the front end of the neck screw holes. And at that point, the calipers say at that point, the neck is 2.256 wide. 2.256. So divide that in half. Oh, that's a lot of decimal places. I'm lazy. So 2.256 divided by 2 is 1.128. 1.128. So center line. Oops. The center line goes right through the label. I'd like to thank you, Amazon, for putting this label directly over the center line on the beautiful framed out part of the body, the one that has all the graphing label, the graphing print on it
That you can't even mark over.
Yeah. 1.128. 1.128 on each side. All right. So we got a center line and a width marker. We got a heel mark, and that is.
Does it fit?
Nope. Let's check the 0 on the scale. On this one. .274. It's 1.137. That's even wider. Oh, there's another problem.
Where is it?
The graphic paper that I'm referencing is not laid off square to the body. So that whole line is kaput.
Kaput.
Do not take for granted. So let's fix that before we get too far down this path. Small interruption from pizza being delivered. I'm grabbing my pen, and we're continuing to mark this straight edge, this straight line. One.
Yeah, I'm not that good of a cameraman.
Let's make a trial of this. My director is off playing with pizza boxes.
No, I'm not. I'm back to the camera.
Sure. All right, that actually lines up correctly.
Let's see. Yep.
Okay. And so what I want to do.
Ow.
Should be measuring it. Right.
0.184. 2.1. Oh, that's convenient. .184. 2.184 divided by 2, 1.092.
And then the Lord said, "Let there be light."
Shazam!
Hello.
Just so many lines there, it's hard to believe that's correct. So 1.092. Tooling here sets up the precision to which the rest of the entire guitar will be built off of. A crooked neck joint. Is a guitar that you cannot completely tune to all its setting, to all its harmonics correctly.
Two.
So what we'll do is this one will get the neck socket location and the Floyd Rose studs cut into it, and the reference dowel markers. And the reference dowel markers will be used to lay off all the guitar templates that are made out of MDF, and then this one will be used to cut the neck and to locate the center hole of the Floyd Rose studs. All the other templates will be made out of MDF, using this as the common reference point, the pinhole markers. Okay. So the same process is going to be used to put 2 marks back here for Floyd Rose studs. This one's going to get Floyd Rose studs. All right. Thank you.